Hey everyone, welcome back or welcome to kardeamadeit. So today I just wanted to come with a quick video about welding. If you're new to Design Space, the welding button is down here. Let me make it so that it pops up. Let's see. Okay, spell. So the weld button is down here. And what weld is to basically fuse things together. You don't have to necessarily weld cursive letters. You can also weld shapes, and it basically just gets rid of any overlapping cut lines and just makes the image or the letters flow together as if they're one piece. So yeah, a lot of times when you're doing cursive letters and you put them too close together, it'll black out the inside of the E, and sometimes it even blacks out the inside of the O. Remember that there is no unweld button. So after you weld, if you want to go back, you have to basically undo what you just did. So if you've welded something and then you save it and then you X out of Design Space and you come back and you want to, basically undo what you did, you can't. So I'm going to type hello. Yeah. So basically when you use a cursive font on Design Space, it doesn't flow together. When you type it, it types out as all separate letters, and you can decrease the letter space by using the arrow down button, or you can actually type in how much space. I don't know what unit of measurement that is, but you can just type a number in there and it'll bring it closest together. You can even use negative numbers. So I do -1 and then boom, so -1 is like real close together. But for the most part, I ungroup my letters and I manually move them. It just depends on how I feel that day. But yeah, for the most part, I will manually move them together. Now, sometimes when you move these letters too close together and you weld them, your inside of your E will black out. It could be the E, sometimes it's the O, sometimes if your L's have like a little loop, it'll do that to them too. And that just means that you have your letters too close together. So I'm going to zoom in. Alright, so when you go to weld, it blacked out the inside of your E. We don't want that. So you just basically press undo to take off the weld that you just did, and you have to move whatever letter you have that's too close. You have to move it a little bit further away from the E, and then when you have it at an appropriate length away from the E, you weld again, and now everything flows. It's one letter all fused together, and your E isn't blacked out now. And that's all it is. Just a really simple fix. You don't want to get too far into your project and realize that this has happened. So just be careful. And if there's anything else that I can help you with, just let me know. So thank you all for watching.